Good evening. Today's quote is: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Today's word is riposte, a quick, intelligent, and funny reply to a criticism. He was known for having an excellent riposte to any insult. Yesterday we started trigonometric functions of angles of a triangle. Exercise 3.5, fifth one. Let me explain. I think this sum is similar to sum number 4. Uh, what is sum number 4? Prove that sine square a plus sine square b minus sine square c equal to, and here it is sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. Okay. Now, LHS, what is sine square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. What is sine square a by 2 then? 1 minus cos a upon 2. Sine square b by 2, 1 minus cos b upon 2. This as it is. Now split numerator. So half minus half cos a plus half minus half cos b minus sine square c by 2. So it is 1 minus half cos a plus b by 2. Now, I'm sorry, cos a plus cos b. Now you will ask me, but why to keep this as it is, sine square c by 2? See, on the right hand side, we need sine c by 2. That is why we keep this as it is. What is cos a plus cos b? 2 cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. Now a plus b plus c is pi. So it is a plus b upon 2. It is pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. So it is 1 minus sine c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine square c by 2. What can be taken common from these two terms? Sine c by 2 can be taken common to get in bracket cos of a minus b upon 2 plus sine c by 2. Now we have got required term in angle C. So we have to see that C should be eliminated. C is to be eliminated. Why? Because now we need angles A and B. Same logic. A plus B plus C is pi. So C upon 2 is pi upon 2 minus A plus B by 2. What is sine of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Right? Now, cos A plus cos B. When I say cos A plus cos D, or here I should say cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos of C plus D upon 2 into cos of C minus D upon 2. See, first angle plus second angle upon 2, cos of first angle minus second angle upon 2. First plus second by 2, first minus second by 2. So that gives me 1 minus sine c by 2, 2 cos a by 2, cos b by 2. Rearrange the terms. So 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sine c by 2, which is nothing but right hand side. Actually, the third was given for homework. So this is the solution. Exercise 3.5, sum number 6. Let me read the sum first. Tan A, prove that tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 is 1. Same logic, A plus B plus C is pi. So A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is pi by 2. A by 2 plus B by 2 is what? Pi by 2 minus C by 2. You may ask me, can we write this as B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus A by 2? Yes, final answer will be the same. But why to do so? Because we know formula for tan of alpha plus beta, that is addition of two angles. Now take tangent ratio. On LHS, tan of alpha plus beta, tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. RHS, tan of 90 minus theta, 90 associated with y-axis ratio changes, tan changes to cot 90 minus first quadrant positive. But what is cot? 1 by tan. Now cross multiply, rearrange the terms to get the required answer. Now seventh. Okay, let me read the sum first. Sum number 7. Prove that cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 is cot A by 2 into cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. Actually, either 6th or 7th will be asked in exam. So if 7th is asked, give me a minute. You have to start with this only. A plus B plus C is pi and so on to get this. Now after this, you have to divide throughout by tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. So here what remains in the denominator? Tan C by 2. 1 upon tan is cot C by 2 plus cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 equal to 1 upon tan, that is cot. That's it. We have to prove this only. I hope you are getting this. I repeat, any one of these two will be asked, either 6th or 7th. So if 7th is asked, how can you say that divide 1 by 1 in the previous sum by this? So you have to begin with a plus b plus c equal to pi only. Okay, right now. So I'm omitting one step in exam. You have to write that. First, you have to write tan a by 2 into tan b by 2 upon tan. And then in the next step, you have to say what remains here is tan c by 2. Right now. Plus 1 upon tan a by 2. 1 upon tan is cot. So cot c by 2. Cot a by 2. Cot b by 2. Cot c by 2. Actually, there is one more step. I won't write that, but you have to. That what is required? Do we require this in this order? No, we need cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. Though it is true that a plus b plus c is same as b plus c plus a. Okay, so that is the result. Sum number 8, I'll read the sum for you. Prove that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. It is similar to what we have done in sum number 6. So we begin with a plus b plus c is pi. So what is a plus b? Pi minus c. But it is 2a. So multiply throughout by 2. So 2a plus 2b is 2 pi minus 2c. Take tangent ratio on both the sides. So tan of 2a plus 2b equal to, what is tan of 2 pi minus 2c? It is simply minus tan 2c. Why? 2 pi associated with x-axis. Ratio does not change. 2 pi minus fourth quadrant. Tangent ratio is negative. Now on left hand side, apply tan of alpha plus beta formula. Cross multiply, rearrange the terms. That's it. Now sum number 9. Prove that, I'll read the sum for you. Prove that cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C equal to 1 minus 2 sine A sine B cos C. Now we need cos C in the answer, but we do not need cos A cos B. So see what I'm doing. For cos square A, I'm writing 1 plus cos 2A by 2. What is cos square B? 1 plus cos 2B upon 2 minus cos square C as it is. Split numerator. See, I'm omitting one step. Okay, I won't. I'll write all the steps to avoid confusion. So in this step, I'm just splitting numerator. Right now. Now, half plus half is full, that is 1. Take 1 by 2 common from remaining terms. So cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos square c. So this is 1 plus half. What is cos 2a plus cos 2b? It is 2 cos of 2a plus 2b upon 2. That is cos of a plus b into cos of 2a minus 2b upon 2. So it is just a minus b. Okay. Minus cos square c as it is. Now we want cos c so that it can be taken common. So 1 plus. What is a plus b? Pi minus c. Remaining terms as they are. Now what is cos of 180 minus theta? Minus cos theta. So minus cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos square c. Yes, I can take minus cos c common to get in bracket cos of a minus b. Just a moment. If minus cos c is taken common, what remains in bracket? In fact, it will not be minus. When I take minus sign common, it will be plus, right? Now, instead of writing cos c, just listen to me. I'm writing pi minus a plus b. Why? Same logic. A plus b plus c is pi. So c equal to pi minus in bracket a plus b. Here bar means bracket. So 1 minus cos c cos of a minus b. Now cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Standard de facto formula. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b is for what? Yes, you guessed it right. It is nothing but 2 sin a sin b. And that is why I insist that you should know all standard formulae. So what remains is 1 minus, I rearrange the terms, 1 minus 2 sin a sin b cos c. That's it. Now you will try these two sums. We'll discuss the solutions afterwards. These are not from the exercises. Especially second one is interesting. Right on. Now after this, we'll be solving sums from miscellaneous exercise 3 MCQs. See, it is true that presentation is not important, but you have to write it properly. Okay, so miscellaneous exercise 3, first question, select the correct option from the given alternatives. The first one, sin n plus a into sin n plus 2a, n plus 2a rather, plus cos n plus 1a into cos n plus 2a is equal to, take n plus 1 into a. See, I can say into because that is part of an angle. I'm not saying sin into. So that is a and other angle is I'm sorry, first angle I take as x and other as y. So expression sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. This is expansion of cos of x minus y. Substitute x and y to get cos of minus a. Cos of minus a is cos a, which is given in option B. So B Bombay is the correct option. Second is good one. If tan A minus tan B is X and cot B minus cot A is Y, then see what is cot B minus cot A? Cot is 1 upon tan. So 1 upon TB. TB means tan B minus 1 upon tan A. LCM tan B tan A. What is numerator? Tan A minus tan B. Now this is given to be Y. See, rearrange the terms. So it is tan A tan B. It is tan A minus tan B, which is given to be X upon Y. Alternate. Okay. Now, what is asked? Cot of A minus B. Cot is 1 upon tan. What is tan of A minus B? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So this goes to numerator. 1 plus tan A tan B upon tan A minus tan B. Okay. Substitute tan A into tan B x upon y. 1 plus x upon y upon x. Split numerator. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. This is nothing but Calcutta. C is the answer. Right down. Sum number 3, if sine theta is n sine theta plus 2 alpha, then tan of theta plus alpha is. See, if you observe the options, in most of the options, 1 plus n upon 1 minus n, that type is there. So, rearrange the terms. Sine of theta plus 2 alpha upon sine theta is what? 1 upon n. By componendo dividendo means what? It is to be applied on proportion numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator on both the sides. Now on LHS, what is sin A plus sin B or sin C plus sin D? 2 sine of first angle plus second angle upon 2 into cos of first angle minus second angle by 2. In denominator, what is sin A minus sin B? 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Now, what is sine upon cos? Tan. See, I have written tan of theta plus alpha. Cot alpha is nothing but 1 upon tan alpha is this. I haven't written that step. What is asked? Tan of theta plus alpha. It is 1 plus n upon 1 minus n tan alpha. So the correct option is D, Delhi. Fourth one, the value of cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. See, what is cos 2 theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it will be cos theta, cos square. C means cos, S means sin. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Observe denominator. Can you tell me what is square of cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2? Cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2, which is 1, plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, which is sin theta. Is denominator 1 plus sin theta? Yes. In fact, you have to remember this, that 1 plus sin theta can be replaced by this. I have omitted steps now. See, what are the factors of cos square minus sin square? Cos minus sin into cos plus sin. 1 cos plus sin gets cancelled. So what remains is cos minus sin upon cos plus sin. Next step, let me explain. Divide numerator and denominator by cos. So 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan. Note that this is the expansion of tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Check that. Tan of alpha minus beta. Tan pi by 4, 1 present, minus tan theta by 2 present upon 1 plus. Yes. Now this is given in option C. Okay. Let me explain fifth also. What is asked? The value of cos A into cos of 60 minus A into cos of 60 plus A is basically formula, de facto formula. We need 2 there, and that is why I have written, in fact I haven't written that step, half into, what is 2 cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B, that is 60 minus A plus 60 plus A, that is 120, plus cos of A minus B, 60 minus A minus 60 plus A, that is cos of minus 2A. Note that cos of minus 2A is cos 2A. You should be able to write this in just 1 or 2 seconds. Cos 120 degree is minus half. Why? Cos 120 degree is cos of 180 minus 60, which is minus cos 60, and that is why minus half. What is cos 2a? 2 cos square a minus 1. Within bracket LCM is 2. So 4 cos square a minus 3. Half into half, 1 by 4. Now bring cos a inside the bracket. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a is formula for cos 3a. So correct option is C, Calcutta. Right now. Sum number 7. Okay. I have written S for sine and C for cos. So sine square alpha plus sine square beta minus sine square gamma is. Now sine square alpha is what? 1 minus cos 2 alpha upon 2. Sine square beta 1 minus cos 2 beta upon 2. This as it is. Split numerator, half plus half, that is full. Take minus half common to get in bracket cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. Now what is sine square gamma? In bracket 1 minus cos square gamma. Why bracket? Because there is minus n before that. What is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Okay. So 1, and when you open the bracket, minus 1. Cancel. Now I have omitted steps here. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is given to be pi. So what is alpha plus beta? See the cursor. Pi minus gamma. Cos of pi minus gamma is minus cos gamma. Already minus is there. So eventually it is plus. 2 gets cancelled. Take cos gamma common to get cos of alpha minus beta plus cos gamma. Now cos gamma is minus cos alpha plus beta. Why? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is pi. So gamma is pi minus alpha plus beta. But cos of 180, pi means 180. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Note that cos of alpha minus beta minus cos of alpha plus beta is expansion of 2 sine alpha sine beta, standard de facto formula. So correct option C, Calcutta. Sum number 8 is again a good one. They say A and B lie in first quadrant and they satisfy the relation 3 sine square A plus 2 sine square B equal to 1 and 3 sine A minus 2 sine 2B. I'm sorry, 3 sine 2A minus 2 sine 2B equal to 0. Then A plus 2B is equal to A plus 2B. Okay. Now it is sine 2B. It is 3 upon 2 sine 2A. 3 sine square A, rearrange the terms, is 1 minus 2 sine square B, which is cos 2B. Now, what is tan 2B? Sine 2B, but for sine 2B, see the cursor, I can write 3 by 2 sine 2A upon cos 2B. But what is cos 2B? 3 sine square A. Only 3 gets cancelled, half. What is sine 2A? 2 sine A cos A. Denominator as it is. Simplify. Now what is tan 2B? Sin 2B upon cos 2B. Let me explain. On RHS, what remains is cos A upon sin A. Now I have omitted 2 steps. Cross multiply cos 2B cos A equal to sin 2B sin A. Shift that term to LHS. So it becomes cos 2B cos A minus sin 2B sin A equal to 0. But that is expansion of cos of 2B plus A. It is 0, but cos pi by 2 is 0. So angle A plus 2B must be pi by 2, which is given in option B. Ninth one is interesting. In triangle ABC, cot A into cot B into cot C is greater than 0 means positive, then triangle is. See, product of three terms is positive when all of them are positive. Cot positive means angle in first quadrant. So it is acute angle. Now it is also possible that minus into plus is plus. So any two of them negative. So consider cot A, cot B to be negative. Means A is obtuse and B is also a obtuse angle. Now in a triangle, two angles cannot be obtuse angled. So the possibility of minus into plus is not valid. So the only possibility, all are positive, cotangent ratios are positive, so angles are acute, and that is why acute angle. Now let me explain. For sum number 10, for CET, you have to remember this as standard result. See why I am saying for CET? Because this topic is included in CET. There are 10 topics from 11 standard which are there for CET, at least for this year's exam. Don't know about next year. So trigonometry part 2 is one of them. We have already proved this result. Tan 20, tan 40, tan 60, tan 80. This product is 3. Now tan 60 is root 3. What is tan 40? It is cot 50. Why? 40 is 90 minus 50. Cot of 90 minus, tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. See why I'm saying cot? Because we are asked to find that only. So tan 20 into tan 80 into cot 50 is 3 upon root 3. That is root 3, which is given in option E. Okay. So that's it.